you teach by your own example. If you teach so many virtuous qualities, but in your own activity, then you are not practicing Jnana Yagna in the right way. Then you are practicing hypocrisy Yagna. But no matter what limitation, a broad understanding, always insist on being involved in Jnana Yagna. Even if you haven't understood properly, but you have gained some spiritual information, let others also be benefited by it. And if Jnana Yagna becomes very successful, then you live in the world with like the spirit of spring season. Not only you have sprung out of your troubles, but make countless people spring out of their troubles. I'm using witty language. It is like spring season. Everybody is benefited. Sarva bhutite rata. There should be a deepest source of inspiration. May all be happy. That must radiate from your heart. That all should not be limited. It should be really all.